Authors, if you want to feel visible in 2026, then you need to stop following social media trends. Social media disappears. You know what doesn't? Pinterest. Surprise, surprise. Pinterest is truly the only platform where your content is going to keep working for you long after you hit publish. So while you are out there writing your next book or teaching or living your life, whatever it is you're doing, Pinterest, your pins are still working for you. And that is what we need as authors. We don't need to exhaust ourselves by forcing ourselves to be on social media. This is the kind of marketing that we need. It's steady, it's sustainable, it is smart. And that is what we're talking about today. If you're new here, Marketing Mondays are all about marketing using Pinterest for authors. Now, I want to kind of back up and go over the foundations of Pinterest as we kind of get ready to dig into 2026. So we're in November, December coming up, and those are not the months necessarily to jump in and start something new. So November and December are all about setting you up for success in 2026 using Pinterest as a marketing tool. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss anything. And tune in for Craft Thursday videos as well. This is the first in a series of videos on the foundations of Pinterest. So again, make sure you subscribe. Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Bourbon. I'm a best-selling author of 35 books. I'm an educator, and I'm a really big believer that your marketing should not eat up or eat into or impact your writing time. Your marketing should just be one part of your author world, and if you can set it up to work without you having to constantly monitor it, all the better. Today, we're starting at the foundation, which is how to set up Pinterest so it becomes a long-term visibility engine for you. Whether you are launching a book next month, building your author brand, or you just want to sell more books, this is where it starts. You need to create a system that works in the background and will bring readers to you month after month after month, year after year. Stick around because I will walk you through exactly what to focus on first so your 2026 author platform starts strong. Let's first talk about why Pinterest deserves a place in your author strategy. I believe that newsletters are the foundation, and Pinterest is just above that, driving people to your newsletter. So it's not only a part of your foundation, it's like at the base, it's at the core. Unlike Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or any of those things which rely on engagement, Pinterest is a search engine. I have a video on that, so make sure you watch that. People go to Pinterest to look for something, story inspiration, cozy reads, DIY, writing tips, mood boards, whatever it is, they're there searching. That means your pins can be discoverable and circulate for months and months or years and years and bring in new eyes long, long, long after you have moved on to your next project. I have pins from 2022 still driving daily traffic to my Writer Spark Academy website, to my Pinterest Power for Authors course, to my Melissa Bourbon Books website. All of these pins are driving this traffic. I don't pay for ads. I don't post daily. What I do is post consistently, and I schedule, which equals evergreen visibility. Okay, here is a checklist for you to make sure that your foundation is strong. If you're starting fresh in 2026, or if you're going to rebuild, here's what you need to focus on first. First is a profile audit. Make sure your display name includes searchable keywords like author or writing tips, for example. Next is bio clarity. You want one sentence that kind of sums up who you are, what you offer, and who it's for. For example, best-selling author, helping writers master craft and marketing. 3 is having boards that will really work for you. So you want to create 5 to 7 pillar boards that are going to reflect both your writing themes and your expertise. So for example, for me, I have boards that have cozy mysteries to read, Writer Spark, writing tips, Pinterest for authors, and magical realism aesthetic. So those are 4 of my keyboards. And fourth is optimize pinning habits. Don't worry about posting every day. Focus on consistency. 2 to 3 quality pins per week can make a huge, huge impact. So set yourself up for success. These small foundational steps: audit your profile, have bio clarity, make sure you have great boards, and optimize your pinning habits. These things will create the framework for every pin that you share in 2026. All right, how does this support long term growth? Well, I like to think of Pinterest as sort of a digital bookshelf. It's always there, it never sleeps. People all over the world use Pinterest, millions and millions and millions of users. Think of every pin that you post as a breadcrumb that's going to lead readers back to you, to your newsletter, to your books, to your courses, to wherever it is you want to send them. And the more strategic your setup is now, the easier your marketing is going to be later, meaning in 2026 and beyond. So it's long term visibility, but you don't have to constantly hustle. And as authors, that's exactly what we need. Okay, here is your challenge for this week. Take 20 minutes, that's it, to review your Pinterest profile. Tweak your name, update your boards, make sure that bio is clear and has keywords. Make sure everything aligns with where you want your author career to go in 2026. Next week, we're going to dive back into keywords and SEO as a foundation that's going to help you understand how your pins get discovered. So, again, make sure you subscribe. And if you want a little bit more help, grab my free pin signal checklist below and check out Pinterest Power for Authors, the online self paced course I have. And make sure you tune in here every Monday. Make sure you do that 20-minute challenge. And thanks for watching, everyone. It takes a village. I will see you next Monday.
Ain't never needed Poppy's blessing, no. You need keep working just to get it though. I know she carried your whole world.